Say hello to Spot, the wearable vibrator that's turning up the heat and turning on the lights. With its signature spotlights. Yeah, we trademarked that. This little powerhouse isn't just about good vibes, it's about looking amazing too. The LED ring on Spot's tail brings the party to you with light shows that spin, glow, and dance in vibrant animations. It's powerful too. The ergonomic shape is designed for all-day comfort, making it ideal for extended pleasure sessions. Fully waterproof, Spot is ready to join you anywhere, anytime. With the FeelConnect app, you can share the fun with your partner, no matter the distance, and even turn off the lights for stealthy playtime. Plus, with the most stable, most reliable Bluetooth connection on the market, Spot keeps you in the moment, always. Bright, bold, and packed with pleasure, Spot is your ultimate vibe. Your Spot, your way. Get yours today and put a spotlight on your pleasure.
Say hello to Spot, our most innovative wearable vibrator. This is what you will find in the box. Quick start guide, Spot, and charging cable. Please charge your Spot fully until the LED ring light turns solid green. To charge Spot, connect the magnetic USB charger to the pins located on the back of its tail. Now let us start with the setup. Bluetooth mode. To turn Spot on, press the power button for approximately 4 seconds. Spot will enter Bluetooth mode. This is indicated by blinking blue lights. Connecting Spot to a cam site. Before you start, check on your cam site whether it is compatible with FeelHub X or FeelConnect app. FeelHub X compatible cam sites. If your favorite cam site is FeelHub X enabled, go to FeelHub X on a Google Chrome browser and create a Performer account. Once you have logged in, follow the 5 steps as the wizard guides you to tell you about the platform. After completing the final step, click Install, which directs you to the Browser Watcher Chrome extension page. On the Browser Watcher Chrome extension page, click Add to Chrome, navigate back to FeelHub X, and click Reload. The banner should now be gone and you can start connecting toys. Click on Add New Toy and you will see your Spot in the list. Click on Connect. Once connected, click on Tip Settings. Here you have the default options selected for your tip settings, however you will be able to modify every aspect of your tip settings. Tokens needed to activate the toy, vibration strength, duration of the vibration, and light show that will play after receiving tips. This way you can customize Spot to your needs and have different light shows playing depending on tipping level. FeelConnect compatible cam sites. Open the FeelConnect app on your smartphone, then select Connect New Device. Select Connect Device. You will see your Spot on the list. This will take a few seconds. Once connected, you will be able to test the connection. Tap on Continue and follow the first steps in getting to know your Spot. Then, customize your light show. Swipe right to see your favorite light show, select it, and customize it. Then select, I want to use my Spot professionally. Click Add Media. A QR code scanner will appear. On your desktop, go on your favorite cam site and retrieve the QR code needed for connection. Finally, scan it with the FeelConnect app. You're all set. Click the power button once to engage manual mode, enabling users to experience Spot's robust vibration presets without the need of a Bluetooth connection. Spot features 6 preloaded vibration presets. Each mode is distinguished by its dedicated LED light on the ring, facilitating easy recall of your preferred setting. To pause vibrations, quickly double-click the power button. LEDs will blink purple. To resume, double-click the power button once more. Spot is fully waterproof. This means that you can enjoy stimulation deep in the water. Cleaning. To clean Spot, wash it with antibacterial soap and warm water. For the best results, purchase our Pure Toy Cleaner and use in combination with our range of water-based lubricants. You are done with your setup. We wish you lots of love and happy masturbation.
Say hello to Spot, the wearable vibrator that's turning up the heat and turning on the lights. with its signature spotlights. Yeah, we trademarked that. This little powerhouse isn't just about good vibes, it's about looking amazing too. The LED ring on Spot's tail brings the party to you with light shows that spin, glow, and dance in vibrant animations. The ergonomic shape is designed for all-day comfort, making it perfect for long camming sessions or intimate solo play. Fully waterproof, Spot is ready to join you anywhere, anytime. With the FeelConnect and FeelHub X, you can customize your spotlights and vibration settings to suit your preferences. Plus, with the most stable, most reliable Bluetooth connection on the market, Spot keeps you in the moment, always. Bright, bold, and packed with pleasure, Spot is your ultimate vibe. Your show, your stage, your spot. Get yours today and put a spotlight on your pleasure.